Welcome to my channel. My name is Fedor Kozlov. I'm an attorney in the state of Illinois. My phone number is 847-241-1299. Subscribe, like if you like it. I'll keep going with my communications about DCFS. And today I want to talk about who is testifying. If you get indication and you decide to appeal it, the witnesses against you will be any witnesses who has first or second knowledge about your case. Of course, it's always a DCFS investigator who will talk about the file, the findings, her conversations or his conversations with the child, with you, another parent, school, medical facilities, doctors, things like that. Brothers and sisters. There's always going to be a supervisor from the DCFS. Supervisor from the DCFS will have to testify why did she decide to confirm the indication. So after DCFS worker makes a finding or says that this case should be indicated, propose some kind of ruling, the supervisor has to approve it. Supervisor, from my experience, approves it 99.9% of the time. She's going to testify, or he's going to testify in your case. Police officers testifying, medical personnel testifying, any witnesses can testify, any family members can testify. Again, remember that the burden of proof is by the preponderance of the evidence. The burden is on DCFS, but it's a very small burden for them come to prove, to satisfy. And evidence. What kind of evidence comes into your hearing? Everything you have will go into your evidence. It's almost impossible for a lawyer, even a skillful lawyer, to get this evidence out of the DCFS file. Some of it can be protected by HIPAA, H-I-P-P-A laws. Some of it can be not relevant. Some of it could be a hearsay, but most likely it's going to go in. Judges want to know. Judges want to hear. Everything that the child will say will come in as undisputed evidence. Whatever the child says is true. And you cannot cross-examine the child even if you think that the child is lying. So be careful about that. Have a lawyer for your testimony, because if you decide to appeal later, you need to raise certain objections. Otherwise, you will not be able to protect your rights at the Court of the Appeals. Call me if you have any questions, if you have a pending appeal, 847-241-1299. I'm always glad to help, 847-241-1299. Be safe and good luck.